So this is my first big PlayStation 5 purchase until the console comes out next week. So here it is, the Sony PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller. I'm gonna do some comparisons and unboxing, so let's get to it. So the first thing we notice about the box is you cannot see the actual physical controller through the plastic. Now it is just a full box. This is the back side of it. Yeah, let's check it out. This is my current PlayStation 5 controller that I am using. I like the blue. I've always liked the PlayStation controller more than the Xbox controller because just how small it is, how it fits in my hand, the triggers, it's more comfortable for me than the Xbox controllers or even the Nintendo Switch controller. So the box has another box inside it, and it has this annoying little lid that is difficult to open up, but I got it. I got the controller out. Here it is. Very exciting. It comes with a manual. So let's take it out. Look how pretty that is. Let me hold up the PlayStation 4 controller next to it. This one's a little bit taller. It still has the same comfort level as the PlayStation 4 DualShock controller, but it's just a little bigger. It's a little bit heavier. Yeah, it's a lot heavier than the PlayStation 4 controller. The buttons are elevated, just like the PlayStation 4 controller. So the PlayStation 4 controller buttons are elevated, just as so, and so are these. And these have a clear plastic over the buttons. So the PlayStation logo button to turn on your controller is now the actual logo instead of just the button. So that's cool. So that baby just lit up. That's awesome. It's a different charging port for your controller, so you cannot use your PlayStation 4 cables for the PlayStation 5. But as you can see, when you turn on this controller, just this section lights up. But when you turn on the PlayStation 5 controller, it lights up around the touchpad. That is beautiful. So here on the bottom, you have your 2 ports, but on your PlayStation 5, you only have the 1. So very minor differences, but pretty cool. And you also have a little microphone logo right there so that you could talk into the mic. So this is awesome. And as you could tell on the PlayStation 4 controllers, the trigger buttons have a little bit more of a curve than the PlayStation 5. So here's the PlayStation 4, here's the PlayStation 5. The curve is a little bit less on the PlayStation 5 controllers. But so far, I am loving this controller and I cannot wait to use it when my PlayStation 5 arrives next week. So with that, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.